Hey guys, so this is a review of what we're going to be making today. A paper origami fish. It's very easy. You need a square sheet of paper, and that's all guys. So let's get started with the tutorial and hope you enjoy. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is fold the paper into a complete triangle. Once you've done that, you need to unfold it and then make a complete triangle on the opposite side of the triangle that you made earlier. Alright, now you need to flip. Now you need to unfold it and then flip it over, and then you'll see the point, and you want to point on that and then fold the bottom part into the top part of the paper. Alright, now you need to unfold the paper, turn it around, and then fold the bottom part into the top part of the other side of the paper. Alright, now you need to flip it over and you see a point, and then you want to make a triangle, and you need to fold it completely flat, and I'll make a triangle. Then what you need to do, you'll see this, and then you need to turn it around, and then fold the bottom side of the paper a centimeter away. So this is going to be the fish's face, and do the same thing on the other side as well, just like that. Yeah, it's going to be pretty hard. You can't make lines like that, can you? So it's going to be pretty hard at this point, but it's okay. And then what you need to do, you need to flatten everything, and then you'll see these points sticking out. You need to cover that out, then flip it over, and then bam! How cute is that, guys? Now what I'm going to be drawing, is I'm going to be drawing the eyes and the lips. So how cute is that, guys? Don't you like it? I mean, who doesn't like it? So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, don't forget to subscribe, like, share if you are new here, and I guess I'll see you in my next video. And by the way guys, if you have any confusion, just comment down below, and I'll definitely reply to it guys. And if you want to make me to make a video on how to fix your confusion, I'll make an unlisted video and I'll send you the link so you can watch it guys. Bye.